Hello, I'm Captain Sheridan with the Eugene Springfield Fire Department. October is Fire Safety Month, and this month's theme is kitchen safety. A lot of people don't know that kitchen fires are the leading cause of house fires, so we're going to go over some safety tips that you can utilize in your home to avoid a house fire.
Before you turn on the heat, move dish towels, bags, paper, or anything else that can burn away from the stove. When you are finished, wipe up any spills or food that may have fallen on the stove. Unattended cooking is the leading cause of home cooking fires. If you must leave, make sure to turn off the burner. Keep a lid or a cookie sheet nearby, and if a fire starts, put the lid on the pan, turn off the heat, and let it cool. Remember, do not add water to a grease fire. Lastly, keep children and your pets burn and scald free by maintaining a 3-foot child and pet-free zone around your cooking area.